A pre-owned 2019 Ram 3500. This four-door truck has a six-cylinder, 6.7-liter i6 engine with four-wheel drive and an automatic transmission. This Ram has less than 159,000 miles on the odometer. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include auxiliary audio input, speed-sensitive volume control, wireless data link, power windows, rear privacy glass, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, digital odometer, external temperature display, battery saver, tow hooks, trailer hitch, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, child seat anchors, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, and traction control. Call Timbo at 770-554-0300. Thank you for choosing Graham Automotive.